Up an Arby's cheesesteak, it's gonna be tough to set that thing back down. Hey, put it back. The commercial is not...
This is a nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
Where legends are rewritten and new alliances are forged.
Mortal Kombat!
The fight is calling.